2, 1, go.
Hey, and welcome back to Testa's Tuesday tip. In this tip, I'm going to be talking about how to take a regular shoulder mount mannequin and turn it into a wall pedestal and just an offset shoulder mount, or I added some leg to it. So I think it's going to be a pretty good tip, and it's not as hard as it sounds, and it just really expands your mounts, expands your mounts for your clients, and it makes them think you're a genius. Kind of got my diaper set up there, or whatever you want to call it. Put it down to my level. Just a little more. In this heat, this thing's gonna go fast. I'll mix it. And then I kind of wait till it starts to rise, and then I pour it. But as you can see, we're coming along nicely. I have to go to Jeff's shop while he's in Alaska and borrow some foam. He'll never miss it. See what else I can borrow. There we go. Now we're done. There we go. Beautiful. Look at that nice cut, man. Who did that? What moron? Oh wait, that was me. That skull was off, dude. If you look at a skull, I don't have a skull. There's one. If you look at a skull, look how different the eye socket is. See that? See how this one's here? Now look, if we put a straight edge, right? Like across the bottom of the eye. Look how crooked it is, see? See, this one's like they go two different directions almost. You know, it's a myth that they're symmetrical, and some are really wonky, you know, really wonky. So, anyhow, it always goes along the dominant side. So, this is off a little. There we go. Okay. Let's put them horns on so one can go ooh. Anyway, now all you gotta do is cut that. And then, like I said, wherever my widget went, my wedge. Here's my wedge. Trace out a new head block, back block. We're in business. You know, and hell, I might even put a leg on this. I'll see when I put this together. Maybe I'll do that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in to Testa's Tuesday Tips.